What's up, Yo Gang? YouTube, welcome to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and take part in this fun that we have here on this channel. With that being said, y'all already know. Let me ask y'all a question. Are y'all tired of all these new guns? Every video, new gun, new gun, new gun. Are y'all tired? Because I can stop. Nah, but I know that's why y'all come here. I know that's why y'all come here. But today we are going to talk about the Pioneer Arms Hellpup? No, not Pup. Hellpup. Pioneer's Arms Hellpup. Let's go inside, because y'all already know. Where are you going, Captain? Hello. How are you? Hello. Hey, y'all ain't met this one before. Y'all ain't met him before, but I'm gonna introduce y'all to Oompa. Oompa on the phone. He's on the phone. He running his mouth. But anyway, as soon as we get off the phone, I'll introduce you to Oompa. I think I'm ready, but don't go far. We'll be right back. I got 200 with that. So y'all, this right here is Oompa. I don't think y'all ever met Oompa. Oompa's here on Sundays. Not anymore, but he's here today. That's all that matters. So, dap me up. Alright, I'm gonna go talk about this little beaut right here. And, oh y'all. This is mine. And we gonna let it run. Okay, so we are talking about the Pioneer Arms. What did I say it was? Hellpup. Hellpup chambered in 7.62x39. And I'm not sure how this goes here because it says proudly made in Poland, but then it says Pioneer Arms USA in Florida. So was it actually produced in Florida and the first manufacturer of the firearm was in Poland? I'm not sure. If y'all know better, let me know in the comments. But it's an AK. I love AKs. Y'all know I'm excited. So let's open her up. I'm not excited. But before we move any further, y'all already know gun reviews equal giveaways. So on this giveaway, yes, we are doing another Glock range bag. If y'all remember, if y'all don't, let me refresh y'all memory a little bit here. It is a nice size bag. I love this bag. I have one for myself and it is great. It has the shoulder strap, it has the hand strap. You have a six magazine slot on the back. Just because it says Glock on the front, I'll go ahead and throw in a patch so you can represent Yo Gang to the fullest. But this is the giveaway again, so y'all must remember to listen for the question. First you have to be in the live chat. Listen for the question and be the first person to answer correctly, and you are the winner. Those are Yo Gang giveaways. That's how it is, and we're giving them away on giving something away on every gun review. So you definitely want to hit that bell and stay tuned. So, all right. So let's get back to business here. I'll pack that back up nicely for you. No worries. All right. So like I said, we are talking about the Pioneer Arms Hellpup 7.62x39, so it is an AK. And let's take a look. I'm not impressed by the packaging, but it was brought to you by disabled U.S. veterans, so I'm all right with it. Y'all cool with me. Thank you for your service. All right, let's take a look inside the box. One thing that I found it to be extremely attractive about this buy was it comes with 4 30-round magazines off rip. 4 30-round magazines. So that was a super plus for me. They don't feel the greatest, but hey, we're gonna make it work. All right, it comes with a sticker, a Pioneer's Arm sticker. Y'all know I love stickers, so this is a plus. This will make up for the box. It comes with a flag, Pioneer flag, and our owner's manual. Let's check out the owner's manual, see if there's anything interesting in here that we should know. And you should always review your owner's manual when you purchase a firearm. It's highly recommended that you at least take a look at it. Okay, so in here, they give you the takedown instructions. It lets you know what your parts are. Basically how to take it apart and clean it if you're interested in cleaning it. But to get into the specifics of this bad boy here, let's do a safety check first. Wow, she feels a little... Oh, and she does not have bolt holes. All right, she's clear. I'll do that for you so you guys can see. She's not the smoothest, but she's clear. The safety does not have bolt hold. So I'm already assuming that it does not have last round bolt hold. I do understand that not all AKs have last round bolt hold, and what makes it stay open is because the magazine is still inside. Once you release the magazine, the bolt will close. It's understood. Thank you. All right, here she is. She is quite standard looking. She feels, now this is the type of AK sights that I'm used to. Check this sight out right here. These are the sights, you know, when we did our last AK review, I was having a little hard time with the sights, but this one is definitely super familiar and I like it. That sound is awesome. All right, so let's run through this very quickly. I'm gonna hold this up here like this for you. About right there. Is that in the screen? Perfect. All right, so I did say it comes with 4 30-round magazines. She is total weight 9.5 pounds total weight. She is she's 34.2 inches in length. She does not have a folding stock, so she's only, well, it says 17-inch folding stock, but she doesn't have a folding stock. So I'm assuming she is, I'm not sure, but she has standard AK sight. She has a nice standard charging handle. The mag release does feel quite nice. Let's go ahead and put a magazine in and see how that rocks in very nicely. Take a look at her. She has a pretty stamp here. Oh, she's quite dusty from the box, but don't pay that no mind. Very nice. This front guard feels like it's a polymer frame. She does have a hook for a sling. You would actually need an adapter to complete that sling look if you want that. Pioneer arms. Looks all right to me. Very cost friendly, which is also good. So if you're looking for a AK with a muzzle brake, a crazy muzzle brake like this, I think that's quite different and impressive for me. We give everybody a chance here, and that's why we're here. So we're gonna run her, and we have a whole case of Tool ammo, 7.62 by 39, 122 grain, full metal jacket. I think we're missing just 2 boxes, so we're gonna have us a whole lot of fun in this video today. So don't go far, we'll be right back. All right, so we're ready now. My case is entirely too heavy, so we're just gonna take some at a time. All right, y'all know lane 10. All right, so again, 4 magazines and our firearm. It also has a cleaning rug. Sorry, I missed that. Let's see how good the... Not good. See how good they are. Very rough. It's not smooth at all. Not smooth. Uh-oh, I don't like it. He better be hitting that target. Not me. Okay, it is very rough. I have some AK mags in my truck. I am going to get those, but I am going to shoot one of these mags just to show you that it works. Yes, it is uncomfortable loading because it's extremely, it's just not a nice feeling magazine. But we're going to see. I've loaded enough AK magazines in my career to where I can distinguish a nice mag. I guess that's why they give you 4. Alright, so they are 30 round mags, but we're only going to load 20 in each. Oh, this ammo is dirty. Alright, so let me go grab my other mags. We'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just going to shoot one of their magazines. Terrible, terrible. I have my MOE mags here that are AK mags. So we're going to put these away. So first go around, we're going to use the magazine that it came with. That's not good. That was rough. All right, first shot. Bad. Where did that hit? Somebody said keep shooting the target even though it's moving, and that's what I'm doing. I'm staying within the body shape, but they're not nice clusters. Oh, y'all ain't see that into screen. That was horrible. Clear, and the slide is pretty hard. You want to check the target out? Let's see. All right. Target was swinging, so I kept moving to see if I could stay within the silhouette, and I did. So, pretty good. All right, we know the magazine that it comes with works. It's just extremely hard to load. but hey, you gotta make do with what you got if that's all you have. So I'm gonna use my MOE mags and see if they work. Shooting kind of hot. I did it again. Let's check it out. Okay, the magazine was a little harder to put in. It shot all 20 rounds, which was good. So we're gonna try 20 more. I'm not even gonna give another one of their magazines a chance. Let's see. I did say I was shooting a little high. You could say it's terrible. You want to call my good shooting terrible? It's terrible. Okay, stocks are a lot more fun. I enjoy it. Just have to be very careful when you're shooting these stockless pistols because they will come back and hit you in the mouth. Known by experience. So be very careful. Let's change it. Okay, so we did a quick reload. So this next target, we're just gonna run 3 magazines back to back to back and see how it runs consistently. Okay? God, that is hard. Given the target, stop moving. All right. That is brutal. Brutal. My arm's a little fatigued too. I'm not sure if it's when you don't have a brace on it, if it's more of a hip gun. But with that thought, let's go ahead and drop that question. How many mags does the firearm, how many mags come in the box? Answer now quickly. Hurry, 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 hurry. Oh, it's hot. Oh, she's hot, hot, hot. Oh, even to hold, she's hot. Yeah, my arm is super fatigued. She's smoking hot. She's hot. All right, that was 60 consecutive, and I think she needs a break. So we'll be right back. All right, let's check out the target. She's hot. So we're gonna give her a quick little minute to get right. All right, we got one out here. And
that's hardwood. Get this shit up.
Well, you guys let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments as to how I did shooting this Pioneer Arms AK chambered in 7.62 by 39 without a brace. Let me know what you think. And that was about, what, 10 yards? I think it's all right. I don't know, but you guys be the judge. You let me know. All right, so let's reload. We have quite a few left, and another target, so don't go far. That tool ammo is so dirty, but it's so pretty at the same time. It's kind of like gold flake. All right, let's send her back. And we're sticking with our MOE mag. And let me see if I can get you a rapid fire in. We got one more person in here. I don't like to do that with other people at the range or in the slot. But yeah, so meet me on the other side and let's hit that target. All right, we got 3 mags left. Still using the MOE. I cannot charge the handle with my left hand because it is extremely hard, but that's all right. keep having to stop because the target just is flying. Ah. That's horrible. All right, last 20. Hold on. They're still here. That's 2. Ugh. She's heavy and she's hot. All right, let's check out the target. That is much better.
That's horrible, man.
This is horrible. This is horrible. These few up here is horrible, but I think this down here looks really good. That was 60 rounds.
That's a horrible charge.
60. What y'all think? 60? I think it's pretty good. All right, so.
You need a Larson 3.8.
Excuse me, I have a Larson 3.8. Thank you. I don't need it, I have it. All right, so let's pack up. Let me tell you what I liked and what I didn't like, and we'll be right back. Let's go. Clean up. Ladies, listen to me when I tell you. I've only been shooting a year and 4 months now. Trust me when I tell you. When your man say, babe, come on, get your up, let's go to the range. Yes, let's go. Let's go, babe. Trust me, it is going to be a lot of fun. You are going to enjoy it. Not only are you going to enjoy it, women are better shooters than men. So if you want to make it a whole competition situation, hey, you can win this competition every time. You can get you a foot massage, back massage, whatever it is that you want every time you get home from the range. Because guess what? Because you won't beat him shooting. Simple. Even dinner. Make him cook dinner. But yes, ladies, just go. I was the type, I didn't want to go to the range. I didn't want to touch no gun. I didn't care. All I wanted to do was my hair, my nails, my feet, go shopping. Yes, we are ladies and we want to look beautiful. We do, and it's understandable. There's no reason why you can't look beautiful and shoot a gun. You can do it. It's fun. Ladies, please, if your husband, boyfriend, significant other, whatever he is, ask you, babe, come on, let's go to the range. Let's check it out. Don't give him no flack. Just go, and believe me, you are going to enjoy it to the fullest. Believe me. Now, another thing, make sure whatever it is that you pick, that you like it. You know, we visual, everything has to be pretty and cute. Make sure that you like it. You got it? All right. First thing, I want to congratulate the winner on our last giveaway. I forgot to do the whole Target thing, but it's okay. Travis, thank you for participating. I hope you enjoy your Yoke Gang holster. That will be out for you ASAP. And for this giveaway, we are giving away another Glock range bag. Yes, and I will not forget to, the answer to the question was, well, first the question was how many magazines came in the box with the AK, and it was 4 magazines came in. I hope you guys got it right. I hope, because our last giveaway, oh my goodness, it was so funny. They were just they were saying everything but the right thing, and eventually it came around. Good job, Travis. All right, so we covered that. If you want my Target, just say I want it. We're gonna give you the better of the 4. If you say you want it, let me know in the DM. But let's talk about what we have in this box here. All right, so we all know the Pioneer Arms AK, what is it, Hellpup? Hellpup, yes. It is an AK. I love AKs. I have plenty AKs. So any AK is welcome at my house. I don't care how you look, how much it costs. If it's an AK, I want it. But I just wish a little bit more love and attention was put into more of the mechanics of it. The handguard is fine. It feels like it's a polymer. The grip, the same thing. It feels like it's a polymer grip. But let's do a clear check. You saw how hard that was? She's clear. The bolt is extremely hard. It is extremely hard. But other than that, she shot well. She did get kind of warm. Not too early, but early enough. That was probably after 160 rounds. She got pretty warm, but that's understandable. But other than that, I enjoyed her. I enjoyed it very much. And that's all that's left to say. It's an AK. I love AKs. Tell me what it is that you thought. How did you think it shot? Is there anything that you saw in the video that I could have added or changed? Magazines, 4. Thank you for sending me 4, but they're trash. They're trash. They're extremely hard to load. Look, you can't even push it down. They're extremely hard. The rounds kind of get stuck side by side instead of simultaneously stacking on each other. They get side by side. I don't know if it's because the plastic is warping as you insert them, but I think that's what's happening. And once that happens, it is HELL to get out. Hell. But the thought was good, sending 4 magazines, but it should have been 4 better magazines. So this was my downfall on this whole thing. But with that being said, Yo Gang, thank you guys for joining. All firearm reviews are giveaways on the premieres. And do not respond to any spam accounts. I do not do anything or give anything away through WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever. I don't do it. All right, so with that being said, Yo Gang, thank you for joining me. Y'all know I love y'all for life, but I gotta let you go. Peace.